Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Thanks for being here as we explore ideas that can completely transform how we see the universe. If you're new, I give you the warmest welcome. And to those who already follow us, a big hug. Imagine that the three Cartesian axes, perfect cubes, and infinite empty space they taught you are just an illusion that limits us. Buckminster Fuller shattered that prison with a radical truth. The universe is built with tetrahedrons, 60-degree angles, and an isotropic vector matrix, finite yet unlimited, fractal, and multidimensional. Accept this, and you'll see universes within universes, parallel realities emerging from every perturbation, entire multiverses folded in the jitterbug dance of a single Cosmometry.
It's not mysticism or passing quantum fad. It's operational geometry, provable with your own hands. It demands leaving fragmented physics behind and embracing a fully connected cosmos where humanity can design its destiny. Ready to abandon the 3D illusion and discover the true architecture of the universe? The Tetrahedron awaits. And before we continue, if you like it, subscribe, hit like, and leave your comment or question below. We read everything constantly and reply with pleasure. Your support helps us keep going. Let's dive into synergetics.
Buckminster Fuller's Synergetics, a geometric philosophy of universe and multidimensional reality. Are Buckminster Fuller's two-volume magnum opus, Synergetics, Explorations in the Geometry of Thinking, 1975, and Synergetics 2, Further Explorations in the Geometry of Thinking, 1979, represents the culmination of a lifetime devoted to rethinking the fundamental patterns of nature, thought, and human experience through geometry. Co-authored with E.J. Applewhite, these books distill Fuller's interdisciplinary insights into a comprehensive system he termed synergetics, the empirical study of systems in transformation, emphasizing behaviors of wholes that cannot be predicted from isolated parts.
Fuller defines synergetics as an integration of geometry and philosophy, providing a common language for both physical and metaphysical phenomena. At its core lies a radical departure from Euclidean and Cartesian traditions, a shift from 90-degree cubic coordination to 60-degree tetrahedral coordination, rooted in the closest packing of spheres and the primacy of the tetrahedron as the simplest structural system in universe. These works are not conventional textbooks, but exploratory treatises, numbered paragraphically for cross-referencing, inviting readers to engage synergetically, building comprehension through iterative, holistic review. Together, they form a single narrative, with Synergetics 2, including a comprehensive index bridging both volumes.
The foundational critique, from cube to tetrahedron. Fuller's Synergetics begins with a profound critique of classical geometry's reliance on the cube and right angles. He argues that cubes do not occur in nature at the quantum or cosmic scales. They are human abstractions. Instead, nature coordinates in 60-degree angles, as evidenced by closest packed spheres, e.g., in atomic structures or viral capsids. The tetrahedron, 4 vertices, 6 edges, 4 triangular faces, is elevated as the minimum system, the simplest volume with an inside and an outside, inherently stable due to triangulation. Fuller asserts that all structural integrity derives from triangular tensegrity, tension plus integrity. From this emerges the isotropic vector matrix, IVM, a space-filling lattice of octahedra and tetrahedra, where vectors are equal in length and angular relation, modeling nature's omnidirectional equilibrium more accurately than the XYZ Cartesian grid. Central to this matrix is the vector equilibrium, VE, or cuboctahedron, 12 spheres packed around a central one, with all edges equal and radii identical. It embodies zero-phase equilibrium, maximum stability with minimal energy, representing universe's isotropic state before perturbation.
Key concepts in Synergetics. 1. Synergetics 1 lays the groundwork, structured around sections like synergy, universe, system, conceptuality, structure, tensegrity, operational mathematics, modelability, and omnitopology. Synergy. Behaviors of whole systems unpredicted by parts, e.g., alloy strength exceeding individual metals. Tensegrity. Discontinuous compression with continuous tension, modeling natural structures, e.g., geodesic domes. Frequency and modularity. Subdivision of systems. Higher frequency yields greater resolution and sphericity. Jitterbug transformation. Dynamic contraction, expansion of the VE through octahedron, icosahedron, revealing intertransformability of polyhedra. Fuller extends these to physics, gravity as tension, radiation as compression, entropy clarified geometrically.
Expansions in Synergetics 2. Synergetics 2 deepens explorations, refining concepts and addressing critiques. It delves further into numerology, great circle foldings, operational mathematics, and metaphysical implications. Fuller refines the IVM's role in quantum mechanics and cosmology, emphasizing omnirationality, whole number quantations, and the concentric hierarchy of polyhedra. Notable additions include detailed jitterbug dynamics, A and B modules, quanta of tetrahedral volume, and applications to epistemology, thinking as tuning into systemic patterns. The volume reinforces synergetics as experiential. Building models fosters intuitive grasp over abstract deduction. Synergetics and multidimensional reality. Dimensions, nested universes, and multiverses. A profound extension of Fuller's geometry lies in its implications for multidimensionality, nested universes, and even multiverses. While Fuller avoided conventional mathematical treatments of extra-spatial dimensions, e.g., Kaluza-Klein or string theory's compactified dimensions, his system models multidimensional interrelationships, scaling, and transformations in a uniquely operational tetrahedral framework. Fuller viewed dimensions not as abstract perpendicular axes, but as degrees of freedom emergent from systemic frequency and subdivision. Higher frequency in the IVM approximates greater sphericity and complexity, analogous to how higher dimensional objects project into lower dimensions with intricate patterns.
The concentric hierarchy of nuclear polyhedra, tetrahedron at the core, expanding outward through octahedron, vector equilibrium, icosahedron, and beyond, directly evokes universes within universes. Each successive shell adds exponential layers of vertices and interconnections, scaling across magnitudes from subatomic to cosmic. This fractal-like nesting suggests self-similar universes embedded within larger ones, where microcosmic patterns mirror macrocosmic structures. The jitterbug further supports dynamic multidimensionality. Its transformations mirror rotations in higher dimensional polytopies, e.g. the 600-cell or E8 lattice, where symmetries fold or unfold across apparent dimensions. Extending this fractally, the infinite scalability of the IVM implies multiverses, parallel or branching scenario universes arising from perturbations in equilibrium, each a self-contained tetrahedral matrix nested or adjacent within a greater whole. This aligns with modern interpretations of fractal cosmologies, where universe is infinitely recursive, worlds within grains of sand, ad infinitum. Thus, synergetics provides geometric evidence for multidimensional reality, not added axes, but multiplied interrelationships, supporting nested universes and multiversal scenarios through eternal regenerative patterns.
Legacy and critique. Though marginalized in academia, evidencing overspecialization, per Fuller, synergetics inspires systems theory, biomimicry, sacred geometry, and speculative physics. Its difficulty rewards persistence, yielding profound shifts in perceiving pattern, interconnection, and multidimensional harmony. Ultimately, these volumes embody Fuller's optimism, geometry as a dynamic tool for comprehending universe's regenerative, multidimensional nature, empowering proactive stewardship across all scales of reality. In Fuller's words, synergetics reveals eternal generalization beneath ephemeral specifics, a geometry of thinking for a comprehensive multiversal cosmology.